Hi students, this is for class 4 from step by step, page number 9, still life. So in that complete picture we also can find shades, white shades. When we find white shades, I mean the paper white or background white of the objects, that will be called as a still life. Complete the following still life drawing and color it as shown. The steps also here given, but you need not to draw the steps. The outlines of complete pictures are given. If these two had not been given, we have to follow the steps. So you need not to follow the steps now, children. First add the dots. And also these dots. So there are no any other shapes to be added with using dots. Now we can start coloring. Very easiest drawing this is given us. So first light brown, I mean yellow ochre. This yellow ochre we can take. First, just beside the border, you fill it, and beside on the top, then start filling horizontally. Also this line, this. Don't change the direction, the same direction horizontally. If you start one direction of your choice, the same direction should be used for all the objects. Sometimes we have to use as per the shape of the object when that you will learn in the higher classes. Without getting gaps in the paper. Once again outline, just so background is completed. Next, what color is here? Green, light green. So we take light green. The white highlight is there, that we should not actually color. So straight direction is used here. So we too have to use the same. here curve direction. So white we left, no, that is called highlight. Generally these highlights we can find for the still life, in the still life. And dark green is given, so take dark green and fill above. Somewhere the strokes are given dark, where the light doesn't go. So highlight light green and dark green. Next, in the other part, yellow ochre is given, so we use yellow, chrome yellow. Also this has some highlight. Highlight is paper white because the background is white. That shape we should not fill with this color. So sometimes we have to fill as per the shape. So still it needs dark shade with the brown, light brown or yellow ochre. This is so next orange. Orange is here. This is here design on the part is given us. It gives a extra beauty to our part. To our drawing and colored picture. So now we have to start outline. So again you get the 10B pencil. So sorry children, blue background also is there. Foreground. Here light is given, but I am using dark shade. It shadow. So there is a light, no highlight. It means towards left from there is a light. That is why we can see the highlights here. So other side of the I mean right side of the objects, the shade will follow on the floor, so that you have to show the dark shade. This light little bit darker. Now do outline with pencil or black crayon. Next, so children, I forgot my pencil, so I used this black oil pastel. You have black pencil, no? I mean that 10b pencil. So with the 10b pencil only you have to get outline. So this drawing is completed. So you too have to do in the same way, using these colors, using light and dark shades for both the shapes, and send it our WhatsApp group. Thank you children for watching. Take care.